The young singer Demi Lovato, before her rise to fame, she was bullied. The girls at my school were calling me fat, ugly. They wrote mean things about me on the school's wall. When I would ask them why they were doing all of that, they would just say, because you're fat. So, she started developing eating disorders such as anorexia and bulimia. She continued to struggle with those until she became 18 years old. It was then that she decided to ask for help and recover with the help of professionals. When she got out of the treatment center she was in, she decided to go public with her story so that she could encourage people that may struggle with the same things that she did. She's the spokesperson of many anti-bullying organizations as well. You can watch the documentary she filmed about her journey on mtv.com. Let's listen to her song Skyscraper.
Here are some bullying-related movies that we suggest you to see. First, That's What I Am, 2011. A coming-of-age story set in 1965 that follows 12-year-old Andy Nicol, a bright student who, like most kids his age, will do anything to avoid conflict for fear of suffering overwhelming ridicule and punishment from his junior high school peers. Everyone's favorite teacher, Mr. Simon, pairs Andy with the school's biggest outcast and social pariah, Stanley aka BG, on a critical term project. Sporting thick orange hair, a head too big for his body, and ears too big for his head. Big G has been the object of ridicule since grade school. Before long, Andy will learn that there was truly a method behind Mr. Simon's madness as to why he teamed these two up. As the story unfolds, Mr. Simon finds himself the target of a malicious rumor after Principal Kellner suspends a school bully for brutally beating up a female classmate whom he thinks has cooties. When Andy watches Big G fearlessly comfort the school bully, a series of events are triggered which change the lives of both young men and their teacher forever. Much to Andy's surprise, Big G is a brilliant, kind, tolerant, and decent human being who has more dignity than anyone Andy has ever encountered.